Okay, so we're going to put some new blades in. Well, first of all, got to take the old ones out. You can buy the blades online, and they post them through to you. So first of all, you've got to make sure you've got the right blades for the right tool, of course. There we go. Out you come, bladey way. Out you come. So that's my next door neighbour doing some drilling. And then very slightly forward. There we go. And tighten up. There we go. Now there's a little trick I'm now going to show you. Got our blades in. I've marked up this nice bit of flat wood. As you can see, I'll just planed it up. And what we're doing here is we're testing to see if we've got the clearance on the back bed. Right, so we swiddle it round, and what should happen, it lifts and drops it. Now, all being well, what should happen is they both should do the same, but that one misses. So let me explain. I did this little drawing, hope it is explanatory. There's our blades going round. The planer is going that way and your wood is going that way. Okay, so that's your cut. As the planer blade goes round and your wood is passing over it, it is taking scallops out of the wood. Depending how fast you're pushing the planer, how deep these scallops are. And this back bed needs to be set in such a way that the wood doesn't end up start riding up on the back bed, and then it will stop planing. So hopefully that makes sense. Now I'll show you how you can test to make sure that these blades are sticking out the right amount clear of this back bed. Now, which means that both blades aren't cutting. Let's go back to the other side. Not easy to do that and keep my hands away from the out of the way of the camera. No, I can't do it. maybe I can. There. There. So that shows that that blade is in nice and level according to the off bed, and there's a clearance so that it won't ride up. But of course, what we've got to hope is the second blade does exactly the same thing, and it doesn't. It misses. I suppose given time, the single blade that's doing the cutting will wear down, and when it does, then the second blade will come in. If not, what I've got to do now is move that second blade out so that the two of them are doing that, are cutting. But there you go, you've got the idea. That'll do.